What? Oh my gosh. There wasn't any gas station that had gas off of that exit. I only got 18 cents, so. This is wild. For eternity. The ancestors didn't say stop. You wanna pop my hood for old time's sake?
Yes, for old time's sakes, I'll pop your hood. Check your liquids. Oh, I know a little something, something. So let's get into it.
Say hi to the vlog. I'll see you soon. It's happening. What? Oh my gosh. Here I was fussing about nowhere being open for no freaking gas. You know, I actually didn't think about that. I didn't think about how the storm would affect gas. There wasn't any gas station that had gas off of that exit. Okay, we're trying the next exit up. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. Oh wait, no, okay. No, okay, their lights and stuff aren't on, but they were open. Oh my God, I was gonna cry. Oh my God, there were no gas stations off of that exit either. I have a half a tank, so I'm not really worried. Like, I feel like I'll come across something before I'm out. But like, I'm definitely nervous. Oh, I'm going into Floriddaaaa. I got a spot. problem. Lit it. But I don't do unleaded though, so that's my issue, I think.
Oh, okay.
But yeah.
What do you do?
Oh, the middle one, the plus, and I only got 18 cents, so. This is wild. There's another gas station over here that I'm gonna try, and let's just pray. But I got some wiggle room. I'm glad I didn't wait till the last minute. All right, loves, do me good. Why is this off? That makes me nervous. We are gonna try for the 30th time.
Use the second from the right lane to take exit 254.
This video is way too long. It's honestly, it's not crazy, but it's crazy to think that you really can just wake up anywhere. I love this lifestyle. I love this lifestyle. I'm happy and it feels good to be moving in my purpose. But yeah, Pat and I are about to go for a walk, so let's go.
this is the farthest. Well, I went far on this one. I know this one comes out over here. This is probably the shortest trail, but I don't know because I haven't done this yet.
Okay, let's do this one.
So what is fun?
I am so happy. I am happy. I woke up. I did not plan on driving on the day that I drove, but it was more of a why not? Why not go ahead and go?
Ooh, Florida red berries. Wild. Small red translucent.
I'm walking on sand. I'm walking on a good old mixture of sand and dirt. It's starting to rain. I have been really wanting to go on a nature trail in the rain, so this is perfect. And I'm sure it's this storm cloud passing through, and there are nothing but blue skies behind it. I think it's gonna pass like the one out by your house did.
It's moving quick. Everything's moving quickly. So.
Yeah, by the time I rolled my windows up, it was literally done raining. We're on an adventure, it's you and me. We're on an adventure, just as adventurous as can be. It's you and me for eternity. It's you and me together forever. You thought I was gonna rhyme it again, huh? I ain't basic. Ain't no Dr. Seuss over here, broski. Oh wait, it's a smaller sub trail.
Let's do it.
I don't think we get far, but
I'm gonna go as far as that until I see a leaf I don't like.
Spider web.
Yep, that'll do it.
This is just gorgeous. Something that eats nuts. But what could it be?
I just have a feeling we'll know soon.
It's a little too overgrown.
I was just like, and then animals just rain, like.
I need to get some like rain boots. Something just tall and waterproof. It feels really good though.
Oh, thank you.
This is where we end our journey on this particular direction, unless you want to go that way.
I'm down. Yeah.
All right.
I feel like when it's not wet out, I want to go that way. I want to do it. Like, I just don't want to do it today.
About to pass out from happiness. I swear to God. Being able to see just over the tree line. Like, I like that it's short and I can see out and I can see the sky and see the horizon. I love it here.
I do love this thing.
I do. Ooh, salt and pepper daddy.
Oh, it is real.
How does this look? Does this look any better?
I think it's missing breath because right now it just looks very
Right.
sexual. I didn't even mean literal breath. Took the corset off. Really, by the time you got back, I was about to go to sleep. I'll take the long way. Don't worry. Good luck.
I literally have a tan line. How long were we out there?
Maybe an hour, hour and a half.
That is crazy. Not a whole complexion.
That's funny. I'm sorry.
gotta get out of here. They sleep.
Ancestors didn't say stop. The ancestors didn't say stop.
Oh, we got. He met you at.
Only in the beginning. We're like 10 people here. And it's over. She's been like this my entire life. Since I met her, this is her. Unfortunately, I knew who I was going to run into when I got here. I was like, the lights on. Jazzmine's not here.
Hey guys, time for your show.
So the doors don't open until 7:30. It's about 7:05 right now, and I'm just going to wait. Look at these clouds.
How many? Oh, just one. Cool. Same thing. Bar open only downstairs, and then sit up or upstairs or downstairs. Just not the first 6 rows. Hi.
Hi, Patrick Marshall.
Patrick. Perfect. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
I know I look rough right now. Like, forget that. I'm in Florida. Feels good. It feels really good to be here. I deleted this app to make room for a vlog. Let me get it. Alright guys, this is gonna conclude today's vlog. I'm really sleepy. I already know where I'm gonna park, so I'm gonna go ahead and head over there and literally pass out. Tomorrow's plans: get up, head back to the beach, head back to my little spot, and really get my van organized. The goal is to get everything set up, everything organized, and ready to go, because I want to see what Uber Eats is hitting like over here. It's time for me to go to work and make a little bit of shmoney. So I'm excited to see what that's like. I'm nervous and excited. Ooh, best friend. Hi, say hey to the vlog. Hi. All right, bye. The call ended at 3:33. Yes, I'm one of them girls. Yes I am. Now go talk to your God about it. I can't help because mine finds me highly favored, highly suitable, highly lovable, highly likable, highly stunnable, no, let me I'm gonna meet my friend. Okay, let's go, y'all. Yep, well, y'all heard it here first. I am about to link up with Pat, and we're gonna do a little nighttime beach excursion. Probably not on the sand because I'm really clean now and I like that. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you like this video. Comment if you got something to say. And subscribe if you like the vibe.